Hi children. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Are you fine? Okay. Did you written your homework? Okay. Have you posted your homework to your concerned class teacher? Ah, yes. Okay. Children, now you should not go outside and you should be in your home. Okay? You should not play outside and do the homework and watch the videos. And while writing the homework, you should write neat and legible. Okay? Ah, you should not write that with dirty handwriting. Okay? If you write good handwriting, no, you will get 5 star. Okay? If you write bad handwriting, you should not get any even single 1 star also. Okay? Okay. Now coming to the point. Last class what we have discussed about vowel sound? E. Very good. In that vowel sound E, what we have discussed? What we have completed? Tell me. What we have completed? All of you, have you gone with it? E, E, D, E, G, E, T sounds we have completed, no? And we also completed phonic drill of A, vowel A also, no? These words P, A, D, A, G, A, M, A, N, A, P, A, T sound words in vowel A also completed, no? Yes. Now once again we will revise this one. Okay? Last class we have discussed, but again once again we have discussed. Once again we have to discuss. Okay? మీకు లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో ఇది అయిపోయింది కానీ మళ్ళీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం ఓకేనా మళ్ళీ మనం రివైజ్ చేసుకుందాం ఓకేనా ఓకే ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ లుక్ ఎట్ ద బోర్డ్ నౌ ఫోనిక్ డ్రిల్ ఆఫ్ వవల్ ఏ దిస్ ఈస్ ఫోనిక్ డ్రిల్ ఆఫ్ వవల్ ఏ నౌ లుక్ ఎట్ ద బోర్డ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ హియర్ పి ఏ what is this? P-A means pa. P-A. Pa. M-A. Ma. B-A. Ba. B-A. Ba. Ba. Now, next one. K-A. Ka. K-A. K. 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 Okay, you have to tell with me all of you. Okay? Again once, shall we? P A pa P A pa M A ma B A ba B A ba 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 M A ma M A ma 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 K A ka K A ka ka ka. Now next one, AD sound word. We have discussed about this AD sound word and we have did some mixing letters also. No, recording this AD sound words. మనం ఇది AD sound words మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం మనం మిస్సింగ్ లెటర్స్ కూడా రాశారు కదా హోంవర్క్ మీరు మిస్ కి పోస్ట్ చేశారు కదా now see look at the board all of you tell with me B A D bad B A D bad M A D mad M A D mad P A D pad P A D pad L A D lad L A D lad L A D lad. Next one D A D dad D A D dad. Now next sound word. What is the sound word? A G sound word. Now look at the board. B A G bag B A G bag. Next one R A G rag R A G rag. Next one T A G tag T A G tag T A G tag W A G wag W A G wag. Next one L-A-G, lag. L-A-G, lag. Now next is sound word. What is this one? What is the sound word? A-M sound word. See. D-A-M, dam. D-A-M, dam. Next one. J-A-M, jam. J-A-M, jam. Next one. H-A-M, ham. Children, you have to listen carefully. Okay? If you listen the class carefully, you can write your homework very easily. ఓకే, మీరు క్లాస్ మంచిగా వినాలి, అప్పుడు మీరు హోంవర్క్ మంచిగా ఈజీగా రాస్తారు. ఎవరు హెల్ప్ లేకుండా, మీ పేరెంట్స్ హెల్ప్ తీసుకోకుండా రాస్తారు. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ విత్ మీ. లుక్ ఎట్ ద బోర్డ్. H-A-M, ham. H-A-M, ham. Next one. R-A-M, ram. R-A-M, ram. Next one. S-A-M, Sam. S-A-M, Sam. Now next sound word. What is the sound word? Tell me. A-N sound word. See. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. Next one. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Next. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Next one. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. Next one. B-A-N, ban. B-A-N, ban. Now next sound word. What is this one? A-P sound word. See. C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. L-A-P, lap. L-A-P, lap. M-A-P, map. M-A-P, map. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. H-A-P, hat. H-A-P, hat. H-A-P, hat. Next sound word. What is the sound word? A-T sound word. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Next one. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Next one. P-A-T, pat. P-A-T, pat. Next. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. These are all which sound word of vowel? A or E? Tell me. Sound word of vowel A or E? Vowel A. Vowel A. Okay? Have you all understood this one? మీకు అందరికీ అర్థమైందా? Understood? These are all sound word of vowel A. In that vowel A, what kind of sound words are there? AD sound word, AG sound word, AM sound word, AN sound word, AP sound word, AT sound word. In this AD sound word, what is it? Bad, see. Bad, mad, tad, lad, dad. Next one. AG sound word. Bad, rag, tag, wag, lad. Next. Regarding this one, AM sound word. AM. Dam, dam, ham, ram, sam. Next. Can, fan, man, pan, van. Next. Cap, AP sound word. Cap, lap, map, tap, hat. Next. AT. Bag. cat, mat, pat, fat. Okay, all of you clear with this? అందరికి అర్థమైందా? Understood? Okay, recording this one. We will do some match the following. Look at the board. See, I will write here sound words. Okay? AD, AG, next AM, AN, next AT, AB, AM, AN, AT, AB, A. Now here I will write according to the sound words. I will write some words. Okay? Now look at the book. CAT, cat. LAP, lap. FAN, fan. JAM, jam. RAG, rag. MA, mug. Now how to match? I will show. ఎలా మ్యాచ్ చేయాలో చెప్తా. ఇది here what is there here? AD sound word. What you have to pronounce all the sound words. Okay? See, first one what is there? You have to read what the sound words are given. Right side you have to read. Where is the AD sound word? Okay? First one what? CAT, cat. It is not matching. LAP, lap, not matching. FAN, fan. JAM, jam. RAG, rag. MBMA, MAD, mad. Yes, MAD. Why? Because here AD sound is there. MAD, mad, add. AD, add, mad. So this is matching. You have to draw line like this. Okay, AD, MAD, mad, add sound. We are listening from this. No, are you hearing or not? Tell me yes or no. Now next AG sound word. Where is the AG sound word? We have to find out. How we can find out? By pronouncing the word. మనం ఎలా find out చేయొచ్చు? Word ని pronounce చేస్తూ మనం చేయొచ్చు. CAT, cat, no. LAP, lap, no. FAN, fan, no. JAM, jam, no. RAG, rag. Why? Because AG sound word is present in this word. No? RAG, rag. Now you have to match. Next, AM. In this which is the word suitable to AM sound word? Cat, lap, fan, jam. Jam. JAM, jam. Next one. Cat, lap, fan. Yes. This is suitable. FAN, fan. Why? Because AN sound word. Yan. In this fan we can hear the sound word of AN. Fan. FAN, fan. Next. What is which word you have to which sound word? AT sound word. In this which one? Cat or lap? Tell me, lap ah? Lap ah, cat ah? ఎందుకు cat? Why cat? ఎందుకు cat? ఎందుకు lap కాదు? Why? Why? Because AT sound word is present in this word. So that this is suitable word to AT sound word. Next one. AP sound word. Which is remaining two words? MAMA, LAP, lap. In these two, which is suitable to AP sound words? A is suitable. This one. Ida. This one. Very good. We have to match. Last one, ma. Why? Because A sound is there. Ma. Okay? Have you all understood this one? Yes or no? Okay. Now next one. Last class we have seen how to fill the vowel A sound word in blanks.
Make it ball and
Last class we have seen fill in the blanks with vowel. Fill in the blanks with the vowel A to complete word. Complete words. See, last class we have seen, no, in the textbook is there, no, page number 9. They have given one example like this, M dash N. What we have to write here? Vowel A. That time what this word will become? M-A-N, man. Now next one, C dash P. Next, J dash M, R dash T, T dash P, R dash G. Now these words we have to fill with vowel A. Vowel A. Now see, C dash P. What here we have to write A. After writing A, what is this one? C-A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Now next, J dash M. What we have to write here? A. What we have to write here? A. After writing A, what this word? J-A-M, jam. What this word? J-A-M, jam. Now next one, R dash T. We have to write here A. After writing A, what it will be? R-A-T, rat. R-A-T, rat. Now next one, T dash P. Here we have to write vowel A. After writing A, what it became? T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Now next one, R dash G. What we have to write here? A. R-A-G, rag. R-A-G, rag. We have these words we have done in our previous class, no? Yes or no? Yes. And some words I will write on the board. You have to tell. Okay? See. B dash N, H dash T, next R dash M, M dash P, next B dash G. We have to fill in the blanks with vowel A to complete the word. Now see, V dash A. After writing A, what this word became? V-A-N, van. V-A-N, van. H dash A. After writing A, what is this word? Hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Now next, R dash M. What is this one? R-A-M, ram. M dash P. M-A-P, map. B dash G. After writing A, what is this word? Bag. B-A-G, bag. Okay, have you all understood? Now next. Now in the page number 10, some pictures are given, no? You have to color it, and I told you to write this is your home task, no, in the previous class. Dash A-N. What is this picture here? What is this picture? Van. So that what letter we have to write here? G or P? V. Which letter we have to write? V. V-A-N. Van. Now next. H-A dash. What is this picture? What is this? Seems like cap or a hatter? Cap or hatter? Hat. H-A-T. What is the spelling of hat? H-A-T. Hat. Which letter is missing? T letter is missing. Now next one. What is this picture here? Tell me what is this picture? Rat. R dash T. Here what is the letter missing? A. R-A-T. Rat. Next. R-A dash. What is this one? What is this picture? Male sheep. What is this one? Male sheep. We have which letter we have to write here? M. R-A-M. Ram. Now next. What is this picture? Map. What is the spelling of map? M-A-P. Map. Which letter is missing here? M. Okay. Now what is this picture? Bag. Which letter is missing? B. Okay, B-A-G, bag. Understood? This is our previous home task. No, in previous class I given for this is for homework. No, and to color the object also. No, have you did it? You have done it. No, in the previous class. Okay. Now I am giving today's homework. Please note down all of you. Well, homework is to note down చేసుకోండి. Match the following. Now one side I will give sound words, sound of a sound vowel sound a sound words, and this side I will give the related words. Each side అన్ని sound words AD AG AP sound words ఇస్తాయి. ఇట్ సైడ్ కూడా వర్డ్స్ ఇస్తాం. మీరు దానికి మ్యాచ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే. Note down this one, and next you have to practice these words for 5 times. This is your home task. You have to match the following. You have to match in these words which AD sound is present. Okay, you have to match it. After matching this one, you have to write 5 times. Don't write like this. M M M A A A. You have to write the complete word. Okay. M A N man. M A N man. M A N man. M-A-N man. M-A-N man. Like this you have to write 5 times. Okay. Don't write single letters. Okay. And do the homework and post the homework to your concerned class teacher. Thank you. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.